Figaro, 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 Figaro.
Perfect.
Hello guys, welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. I'm Erkin. This is the life of a broski. Now I know I sound like a broken record when it comes to me expressing the love I have for 720s. I do have another Air Max 720 to review. These are brand spanking new. They are called the Air Max 720 ISPAs. ISPA, you ask? It stands for Improvise, Scavenge, Protect and Adapt. It is a new program led by Nike, allegedly, quote unquote, improving an athlete's interaction with the environment. So in this video, I'm going to see if anything's different, good or bad, of course whether it's a buy or buy, and of course what they look like on foot. Very, very different. ISPA. Right there. Now it has ISPA's meanings in English and all these different languages. I have got the issue 0.01 apparently. Oh, it's alive, boy. It's alive. Okay, these are different. These are definitely different. Just need to process what I've just seen. I know there's a lot going on. It is a combination of reacts as well from Nike. As you can see, the material on the top and front of the trainer, there is no real structure because of the react technology. Now these are actually removable, which are pretty, I don't know if that's a bit of a gimmick but they are changeable. They give you different colors actually. Of course we've got the black, oranges and a very dark green around here. These parts are reflective. If you do take a picture, you can actually see the reflective panels. On the tongue you've got ISPA here and of course the Nike logo. So much going on this trainer. Underneath is pretty spiky. Look like nipples underneath. It is very much an Air Max 720 sneaker, but with a lot of Nike React 2. Very different, but at the same time, very similar. It says, contains high pressure nitrogen. Now, I don't know how true that is, but if that is the case, then possibly these may be a bit harder to burst. Uh-oh, when did they get there? I've got the white ones too. These look so much better. Got like a marble effect underneath, which is so cool. You can see in between the nipples. But honestly, side by side, I'd personally go for these. I normally love the black colorways of sneakers, but this one, I have to give the crown. Of course, inside you've got ISPA and on the tongue the same. So far so good with this one. This one, I've got to make my mind up once I try them on. But anyways guys, I'm going to try these both on just so I can see if there's any difference when it comes to the conventional 720s.
Perfect.
just tried these both on. Are they true to size? I found this a bit weird. They're very, very different in terms of sizing compared to the 720s. It's most likely because of the lack of structure on the upper part of the sneaker. If you are looking to cop, I'd say go for half a size smaller. This is the winner out of both of them in terms of styling and color. But overall, as a sneaker, are they a buy or a buy? I'm gonna have to say they are indeed a buy. And of course, I have so much love for the Air Max 720. Have you ever heard that saying, if it's not broken, don't fix it? This is exactly what they've tried to do. They've tried to fix a trainer that wasn't even broken. Now, I can respect the Nike React Element collaboration, but it just didn't bang for me. It is a lot lighter compared to the normal 720, a lot more breathable, but in terms of stability, it has gone out of the window. It's simply because there's no structure up here, so if you was on a very uneven surface, you'd be all over the place. So Nike, I saw what you were trying to do, it just didn't need to be done. So anyways guys, hope you like this video. Let me know down below whether they are a buy or a buy. What color you'd go for out of the two? Would you pick these over the normal 720s? I am starting to pin comments, so the best comments will get pinned at the top. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course broskis, until the next episode, take care.